Hey, girl.
Hey.
Lily, what are you doing?
Mary got her phone so she would stop trying to run away and keep eating.
She needs to go outside. According to Mr. Ketchup, it's not healthy.
Not my problem.
Lily, get up. We're going outside.
No.
Number 7.
We're going.
Fine.
Number 9.
Rose, are you coming?
No, me and Jessie are going to go pickleball with Mary.
Such thing
What?
We're going to pickleball, sorry.
What's pickleball?
I don't know. Wow, we're going places.
What?
Wow, what?
Did you see that new Mario movie?
Did you have fun?
No, I mean we were burning in fire and suffocating space. It wasn't totally bad.
Yes.
Calm down.
Quiet. Mario, don't have any.
Cue the outro.